Hello, everyone. I'm back with updates to take a break. Hopefully, I have some time now to get the app ready for Apple, um, add features if needed, but just get it to a place where it's approved and I can continue um, working on other stuff in the app and submitting it to the hackathon. So, what I did in the past, well, it's not a few days. It's been a while since I've had time, but basically, paywall is working. RevenueCat is added to the app, Xcode, um, and here you see the very basic also paywall that I have using the paywalls that RevenueCat provide. There was one thing that I mentioned, if I'm not mistaken, that I'd like to have here uh, the price per year that would have been set for the user if you take like the weekly price and multiply it by 52. So I couldn't find a way to do variable math in the paywall editor. So if that's something that's possible and anyone knows, I'd like to know. But for now, it's just you can see the discount percentage. But I also like to have like a number, which is more prominent or also prominent. So the paywall works. I hope in the simulator we can see something. I need to log in. So calling out the paywall. Forgot about that. Debugging live. Okay. So also besides RevenueCat, I've added like more settings in the settings just to make it like it's not a feature, but it is more information about the app and writing a review and whatever. And of course, for RevenueCat, I have subscriptions. You get to manage subscriptions now because there's no subscription. You'll see this information, and if you do have a subscription, you can see what it is and cancel it and lots of stuff. I really like this customer management system that RevenueCat have. I did look at a few apps that I know from the Shipaton that people have been putting out that don't implement this. And I know people might be more focused on adding features and not really customer management. Like it's not top priority in an app, but I really like it as a way to at least cancel the subscription and see that the paywall will continue or be shown again just because it's a hard paywall in the app here. So I did want to see that it shows up again. And of course, all the other settings. And now I'm shifting my focus to App Store and working on some screenshots. Yeah, this is a placeholder one, which will have the activities, get everything ready for App Store Connect, and maybe in the next few days, submit a new build, and hopefully Apple approves it this time. And again, if not, go back and see which features might be a quick win to add, maybe theme, sharing the activities, of course, maybe setting timers and stuff like that. So that's where I am now, and looking ahead for the next few days. So that's it for me. Thanks, everyone.